Why does the smartest AI keep getting smarter for free? You've seen the headlines: billion-dollar AI models, locked behind paywalls, controlled by a handful of tech giants. But then there's the other side, open-source AI. Models you can download, tweak, and deploy yourself. No permission, no subscription. And here's the wild part: they're catching up to the big players. How? A decade ago, open-source software didn't just compete with corporate tech, it replaced it. Linux runs most of the internet. Blender dominates 3D animation. And now, AI is following the same playbook. But this time, the stakes are higher. Because AI isn't just a tool, it's the foundation of how we work, create, and even think. Here's what nobody tells you. Open-source AI isn't just cheaper, it's better for innovation. When Meta released Llama 2, developers didn't just use it, they improved it. Within weeks, smaller teams built specialized versions for medicine, law, and coding. Meanwhile, closed AI models? They're stuck waiting for corporate approval. One size fits all, with no room to adapt. And the kicker? Open-source AI is accelerating. Last year, the best open models were 6 months behind proprietary ones. Now, some are leading. Mistral's new model outperforms GPT 3.5 in benchmarks, and it's free to modify. That's not just competition, it's a revolution. So why is this the future? Because AI shouldn't be a product, it should be a public utility. Open source doesn't just democratize access, it unlocks creativity. Need an AI for your niche? Build it. Want to audit for bias? Go ahead. No gatekeepers. No black boxes. The takeaway? The next wave of AI won't come from a Silicon Valley boardroom. It'll come from a global community of developers, researchers, and tinkerers, all racing to make it faster, fairer, and more powerful. And the best part? You can be part of it. Want to see how? Follow for more explainers. And next time, we'll break down exactly how to start using open source AI today. No PhD required.